What's up guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get ores in Clash of Clans. To get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open Clash of Clans on your device. Since the 2023 winter update, players now have the possibility to earn ores in Clash of Clans, which are essential for various upgrades and crafting. So first, let's talk about the Forge, a new building located at the bottom of your screen. You'll be able to unlock this once you upgrade your Town Hall. Using the Forge, you can craft ores by using resources such as gold elixir or dark elixir. The cost of crafting ores will depend on multiple factors, including your Town Hall level. Another way for you to get ores is through weekly deals. You'll find this at the left side of your screen. As you can see in here, once you have unlocked the gems section, you'll be able to get free ores on a daily basis. You'll also find various weekly deals that include star glowy and shiny ores, which you can buy using your raid medals. This can be a great way for you to stock up on them without spending too many of your main resources. And the last method to earn more ores is through the home village star bonus. By earning stars from multiplayer battles, you can receive shiny and glowy ores. The amount of ores you receive depends on your league level, and that is how you can simply get ores on Clash of Clans. We hope this video helped you out. If it did, please don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.